Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my friends on TV. It's the international friendly Bafana 3, Zambia 1. I'm John Paf and my brother Kamabanu Pumaupi.
Lusko,
Yeah.
Luzuko,
Yeah.
oh yes. Port Elizabeth,
Yes.
SA Sautam.
Yes, Rodman.
Autam,
Yeah.
Umbole,
Yeah.
man of the match.
He's the man of the match.
Bra, usiprovile umjita,
Yeah.
iSundowns mayimbona bangaba bekutha usuppose basam release umjita.
Yes.
Umbole. Bra, bisazi usela. Out, without usela.
Yeah. Uyalazi. Bring.
Yalazi bola bra.
Yeah.
Umjita yalazi bola bra.
Yeah.
Assist bra. Zonke goals bro namjito uziprovile bangaba makenze sure bangaba iSundowns yambona ba suppose bangaba yamani wena
Egame wena.
yamani wena uyadeserve bro uyadeserve base squatini bro
Amakhosi afuna umuntu uzishabalala.
awazolunga
Awazi ukuthi umbuli uzobefile. Ziyashintsha izinto. Next year. Goalkeeper sidinga who's this guy? Chipezeze.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?